Welcome, homework walkthrough video 2.01a, independent practice for 6th grade math. Looks like here we are multiplying decimals. Let's jump right into question 1. For these questions, I'm going to show how to do it by hand without a calculator and how to use your calculator to get the answer. When doing these questions by hand, I will use the standard algorithm. So let's set that up. The standard algorithm, the stacking method. 9, 4 times it 10. When we're multiplying decimals, I am going to use the standard algorithm. We first pretend the decimal doesn't exist. And then we multiply our normal way. So I do 4 times 7, that's 28. Carry the 2. 4 times 9 is 36. Plus 2 is 38. 38. Carry the 3. 4 times 3 is 12. Plus 3 is 15. Carry the 1. 4 times 1 is 4. Plus 1 is 5. Right? 28. 36 plus 2 is 38. 12 plus 3 is 15. 4 plus 1 is 5. Okay. One's place is done. So I'll scribble that out and I will erase these numbers. Now I put my placeholder 0 here, and let's move on to the 9. 9 times 7 is 63. Put down a 3, carry the 6. 9 times 9 is 81. Plus 6 is 87. Put down the 7, carry the 8. 9 times 3 is 27. Plus 8 is 35. Carry the 3. 9 times 1 is 9. Plus 3 is 12. And now scribble that out, and I put 2 placeholder zeros here. And now I multiply with this 4. 4 times 7 is 28. So carry the 2. 4 times 9 is 36. Plus 2 is 38. Carry the 3. 4 times 3 is 12. Plus 3 is 15. Carry the 1. And 4 times 1 is 5. 4 times 1 is 4. Plus 1 is 5. Now I add these together. I get 8. 11. Carry the 1. 5 plus 1 is 6. Plus 7 is 13. Plus 8 is 21. 5 plus 5 is 10. Plus 8 is 18. Plus 2 is 20. Carry the 2. That's 4. And it's 9. And 1 plus that is 6. Okay. Remember those decimals we forgot about? Now let's bring them back. So we've done our multiplying. We've added our partial products. Now we count how many place values were behind the decimal point in the question. You have 1, 2, 3 place values. Change colors. 3 place values behind the decimal point in the question. 1, 2, 3. So we need 1, 2, 3 numbers behind the decimal point in the answer. And now let's test this with our calculator. And here's our calculator. We type 13.97 times 49.4. And oh, looks like we got that same thing, 690.18. So let's type that in. 690.118. Check. Oops. 690.118. Done. Correct. All right, so this question didn't tell us we were wrong, so that means we are correct. And now let's move on to the next question. For the rest of these questions, I am not going to show the standard algorithm. If you want the step-by-step how-to for the standard algorithm, watch question 1. For the rest of these questions, we will use the calculator only. In the state of Florida, 6th graders are allowed to use the calculator on every question. Specifically, this calculator that is linked on your Canvas page. So let's type in this question. 462.4 times 47.73. And here is our answer. 22,070.35. 22,070.35. Let's check our answer. Didn't tell us we're wrong, so we're correct. And let's move on to question 3. I'm not going to show how to do the standard algorithm for question 3. If you want to know how to do the standard algorithm, go back and watch question 1 for a step-by-step of how to do the standard algorithm. Every 6th grader is allowed to use a calculator on every question. That is not a Mr. Bertram rule, that is a state of Florida rule. So for this question, we will only be using a calculator. Find the product. 30.81 times 0.3 is 0.9243. 0.9243. Check. Oops, I see my mistake. I did 0.03. I need to do 0.3. That's where I got my answer wrong. Going too fast. Going too fast. Let's see, what was the correct answer? Actually, 9.243. 9.243. And check. Booyah. Correct this time. Question 4. I'm not going to show how to do the standard algorithm for multiplying decimals for this question. If you want a step-by-step for how to do the standard algorithm multiplying decimals, go back and watch question 1. All 6th graders in the state of Florida are allowed to use a calculator, so I will be showing how to solve this question with the state-approved online calculator. Let's type in 0.76 times 35, 26.6. 26.6. And check. Correct. Last question, question 5. I'm not going to show how to do the standard algorithm for multiplying decimals for this question. If you want a step-by-step for how to do the standard algorithm multiplying decimals, go back and watch question 1. All 6th graders in the state of Florida are allowed to use a calculator, specifically this calculator. So if I'm going to solve this question using this calculator. 59.21 times 4.81 equals 284.8001. 284.8001. Check. Correct. Now I click finish attempt, submit all and finish, submit all and finish, and I'm done. If you need more help with this homework, please let me know. I love to help. Good luck and goodbye.